Mic test. Good morning sa inyo. Ako si JC. Tapos, nandito ako upang magpakilala. Isa akong athlete. In specific, isa akong rider. Isa akong rider ng mga bike. At mahilig ako magbike ng malayo-layo. Hindi ako kasing lakas sa mga tropids ko dyan na nag-100 ng trip lang nila. Pero I am there. Like, on those, malapit na ako. Patapos, papakyat na ng pakyat. And that aligns with the vision of my channel na gusto kong, mag-record yung mga pinupuntahan ko, yung mga naiisip ko, tapos yung mga natututunan ko on the way. Aside from being a cyclist, I am also a runner. Tumatakbo ko. And my recent achievements have been, I've run half marathons, but I'm really progressing to run a full marathon sooner or later. So ayun, I wanted to record it as well, and I hope I can make a video about it. Aside from physical pursuits, you could also expect some book related things with me, because this channel, the vision I have for it is that gusto kong maging logbook ang channel na ito. I want it to be a part of me as I grow up, and I wanted to share that experience with you because I watched lots of other YouTubers about it, and I thought to myself, wow, they are really doing a good job, and I think kaya ko naman yun. Sana. We will see guys. No. I think I would rather refer to you as brothers or sisters. Yeah, I like that sound more. So, mga bro at mga sis. Bro na lang kasi I think I'm assuming that most of my audience will be male. So, yes. I am really thankful kung umabot kayo sa parte ng video na to, kasi ayun, umabot talaga kayo rito na hindi kayo nagsawa sa aking kakayaping. So, ayun, shoutout sa aking mga boys sa eskwelahan, sa labas. Tapos, ayun, I will see you in the next video, and I hope I can edit this properly. Goodbye.